The next really useful thing you can do with Codex is you can create a skill to automate repetitive tasks. So here I've undone the cleanup of my desktop and I've called this skill creator command, which you can do with $skill creator. And I just told it to create a skill for organizing my desktop. And since we already did this, it took 27 seconds here, it wrote a bunch of code. It's already written the code necessary to know what to do this. So once we create a skill, we can call that skill later and it's gonna just work a lot faster. Cool, the skill is created. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new chat and I'm gonna say organize desktop images. And this time, since we've already written the code to do this, it should happen a lot faster. The first time I think it took 27 seconds, but we'll see how long it takes this time. Boom, and it's done.